Hello everyone and welcome back to another Great White North Corvette video. If you like videos on C8 Corvettes, leave a like and maybe subscribe. Today we're going to be installing an oil catch can that was sent to us by AddW1. The catch can itself looks amazing, and thanks a lot for sending it to us. What is an oil catch can used for? While an oil catch can will help prevent moisture and oil vapors from recirculating into the engine. This helps create less sludge buildup in your engine that can be difficult to get rid of later, and it ensures the best performance and keeps your engine running clean under hard driving conditions. Oil can eventually coat the intake valves that can lead to problems down the road, and the can catches the oil vapor and recirculates clean air into the engine. The can should be checked every 500 to 1,000 miles, and you can check how much oil has been collected with the dipstick on the top of the catch can that can be unscrewed and pulled out. They also offer a remote drain kit, so you don't have to take the can off the car. Not all oil catch cans are created equal. The oil catch can is one of those products where you run the risk of buying cheap, low-quality product that is just a copy of another brand. Even worse, some oil catch cans don't even have a built-in filter system, and you run the risk of just simply being charged for an empty can without a filter system. The filters in a catch can are required for it to actually do its job properly. This is a high quality product with a great exterior design over the previous V2 model, sporting a matte black finish with the customizable colored ring inserts, and the one we have is the carbon fiber. Any catch can will catch some of these vapors, but only a well-designed one will collect enough for it to actually be effective. We want to keep the blow-by gases from entering the intake and the fuel air charge in the engine, resulting in a cleaner burn and potentially better performance and mileage. The contents of the catch can should be checked and drained regularly. The volume collected in the can will be different for every car and will vary based on climate, temperature, and driving conditions. Now we can start on the actual installation.
Welcome back to another edition of Great White North Corvette. Today we'll be installing the oil catch can for the C8. It's a ADDW1 catch can. It has like a carbon fiber look to the outside, and it has a red ring. You can get multiple colors for rings, and as you can see here, it comes with different clamps. I decided to use the red clamps. They looked a little more fancier. And on the catch can, it also has an oil dipstick, so you can see how much of the oil is collecting on it. All right, well, here we go. I'll start the install. We'll start with this bracket here, put it on the C8. Okay, we'll start with this bracket here. As you can see, there's already holes on this part of the frame. Put them in hand tight to start with. Now we'll grab the oil catch can. Okay, here's the oil catch can. What you want to do is remove these two screws and attach it to the bracket that you attach to the car itself. So I'll take these two screws out. Careful not to drop them. They go onto the catch can. As you can see, these two holes here. That just goes in like that. And tighten it down with the Allen key. What I like about this catch can is it has this dipstick here where you can check the level of oil that's in it. Okay, now we'll have to remove this old one here, the stock. You just gotta push these in, they're like gray in color. Push those in on the sides. Okay, what we want to do here is hook up the next two hoses. So you want to use your long hose to hook up to the PCV valve, front of the motor, and that just goes on to there. Then you push it in and you can hear it click. And then that one's hooked up. Then we'll hook up the shorter hose to the manifold, intake manifold here, right here. Push it on until it clicks. Then we have this double clamp here, which we're gonna use to clamp on both of these hoses onto the catch can. So we'll slide that in. Slide the other one in. And we'll push each hose on to the catch can. Push this other hose on, like that. And then tighten that up. Tighten it up as so. And you can clip this one in. And there it is. It's that easy to do. Just as easy as that. So it took maybe 10 minutes to install. A lot easier than I thought. So now the motor will be protected. And I just want to thank ADD W1 for the opportunity to show everybody how to install this product. Just to add another sticker here to my collection. Thanks again. And that's another episode of Great White North Corvette. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Can't wait till next summer.